So, in this video we're going to associate an existing image to the bloom. Now it's assumed that you've already created a plant and you already have the blooms in place, so if you aren't familiar how to do that and don't have that done, please review other sections or videos. And once you've done that, it's also assumed that you've already created an album at Picasa or Google that contains photos you'd like to associate. So they're being uploaded through the Google system. So you'll need to do that through Google if you wanted to do an existing image. And again, you can still load images through our system individually, but if you wanted to already use existing images, you could do that. And so what you do is you drill into the bloom, log in, drill into the bloom that you want to associate your images to. So for this one, we're selecting a bloom that supposedly bloomed for 7 days in the middle of June there. And right now we don't have any associated images. So again, we could add new images like we did before, but what we're going to do is actually add an existing image. And so I'm just going to select then the image that I want, and once I do that, I'm going to actually scroll this so that we can see a little bit more of what's going on. So I selected the All-American Magic. You could also, of course, select from your photos at Phoebes Garden if you uploaded your own images to there, but most of those should be just what you're uploading through our system. And again, you can change your default album by reviewing your settings, which is also shown in another section. But let's go ahead and upload our images now. So let's select this image right here as the image that we want to associate, which already exists on Google. So we'll select that, and once we do that, you can see the image information is brought up. You can change the name or the caption there or add keywords to it as you so desire. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and skip that, but you can do that in the future or now if you'd like. And you can save that image, and once you do this, that is going to associate the existing image onto your bloom, and you can see that it is successfully associated to your garden. You can continue to add existing images one by one as you so desire, and continue to change details if you want to. And you can see that each time you do this, it's a little bit quicker because they're already at Google and we're not actually storing the images, we're just associating them, and so Google is handling that. You can see the dates and things are not exactly what we want there, so we would need to edit that in the future. And so that wraps up adding existing images, and we'll see you in the system.